This is why I call her out.
You better call her out than kill her.
Daughter, this is not the type of exercise. You see, this is why I call her out. I say this is why I must.
This is exercise. What the fuck are you exercise? This is
exercise.
Can't you see how we are stressed?
This is not the type of exercise I need. I don't cherish this exercise. I must kill her.
Like you. Please don't kill her. It's our daughter.
And I became a complainant. Yes. I must kill her.
Like you.
I must.
This exercise though.
I must.
This is exercise.
Exercise.
Can't you see how we are stressed?
This is not the type of exercise I need. I don't cherish this exercise. I must kill her.
Like you.
It's not good for me. Another one, I asked you. That is the one I need for exercise. Yes. No, I must kill her. This is why I called her. Yes. Hey, my ancestors. I come to greet you. I take this token something to thank you for the protection from all my families. Yes, especially my brother's wife, that you make her to deliver. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. Yes, I thank you. But I have a complaint. You give me children. My first daughter, she's a dwarf. My second daughter, I've been managing her. The worst part of it all, my son, is epilepsy. Hey, please, amend. I come to complain. Amend, please. My ancestors, drink. Make una mercy for me, my ancestors. Oh yes. Drink. Drink. Often na. Make una drink. And do everything good for me. Thank you. Thank you. Mba ndukwe nwanne m. Ndukwe. Tupu gị na-ekwu ihe ọbụla a ga-epu ụzọ gbawa n'ọjị. A ga-ata n'ọjị. Ọkwanube nwanne gị ka ị bịara.
Ọnya.
Leda ihe na-ekwu n'ihe a. Ọ bụ nwanne gị ka ị bịara.
Omenala Igbo ka anyị.
Ndukwe ọ bụ na ọjị dị ihe.
Hey, ọ gbara ịtọ. Hey.
Efugo ọ bụ ọjị Ikenga. Ya bụ ọjị nwanne na nwanne. Ọ bụ na ihe ọ bụ nene ya nụ.
Hey.
Ọ bụ ọjị nwanne na nwanne.
Nyanụ. Ọjị nwanne. Oh.
Ya bụ na inene ya anya ka ịfụ ka ọdụ.
Nyanụ. Afọ nya.
Ya na were n'ọjị ndukwe were n'ọjị.
Deme o.
Ndukwe nwanne m.
You see
nke a bụkwa you see this is the drink.
Mba izuru ezu. You see, since your wife died, you have been taking care of these children. Look at them. They've all grown up. I must really say that you are trying.
I thank you very much, my brother Ndukwe. You are such a brother that cares a lot.
Because you are my brother, I must care.
You see, since my wife died years ago, I've been battling with problems.
Aye.
Yes, from one problem to another. But I thank the gods of our land that keeps my family.
I really pity you.
Till today. So, as you can see, and your children are doing better than my own. My own children has broke head.
You see, I really thank the Almighty God for giving me those children. Elizabeth and Ebuka. They are very intelligent, quiet and obedient children.
You see to that? Yes, your children are doing better. But anyway.
But you see, let me tell you something. I want you to do something for these your children. Let them be attending charism. Maybe it will really change them. Yes. Let them be attending charism. It will change their character.
So you are telling me that if I ask them to be going to charism,
yes,
that charism,
yes, their character will change and everything. And they will be like my children. Exactly. That is what you're going to do. You see, let me tell you something. My in-law want me to come and see them. They asked me to come and visit them. So I will be on my way.
You are in-law?
I will be on my way. So I would like you to think about it. Let those children be attending charism. It will change them. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, your children, they are doing better. And then you are in-law. Okay. You see, Ndukwe, my brother, is mocking me that I should send my children to charism. Okay, because my own children, they got blocked head. And because of that, they will hear me. They must hear me. Because you are laughing at me now. Because your children are doing better. My own children are block-headed children. Okay. Okay.
So I'm still in my second bottle. I'm following third one. You're supposed to know. I got a job to do. This guy. But wait. On a more serious note, you know, there is this saying that when you're tipsy, when you take more of alcohol, you can perform better. You are there. Hey, that's not applicable with me, No. Because me, when I take this alcohol, I will just go home and marry my pillow. Finish. That is your own business. But for me, I will do the Devon machine. My guy. Yes. You don't go kill me. And I'm not going to kill you. Man. Hey. God. Hey. Susie, man. My God. You see my blood? I see. What's up? Welcome. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Come on. My God. You never change. You know me. You always go for the shapely and the most beautiful one. I hope you are not. Not at all. Not okay. At all. You know. I was talking about that. In fact, one of my prayer points this time. I must ask God to attend to your prayer because you don't know you have children. Hey, this is some universal chat. You take. Calm down, my guy. Calm down. You know. I like it when I take a girl out and I'll be taking something, enjoying myself, and I'll ask her, babe, what can I offer you? And she'll be like, no, I'm okay. My God. Okay. Then I'll just put my money in my pocket. You got it. You know, oh, this is even the model. Hell! You know, one thing I know about you is that at the end of every conversation, that is the end point. Vanishing point. That is the end point. Vanishing point. No matter how you like it, the elastic limit is what you just told me. Man, something is waiting for me. I can't wait anymore. Okay then, see you guys, huh? See Susie. Susie, take very good care of that man, eh? I will. Catch you guys. Continue, man. On the phone. Yeah? On the phone, huh? Alright. Yes. Just it. Imagine this guy just finished his drink. This guy is a change. My God.
Mazindukwe, I just want to commend you for your good efforts and how you have been assisting the church, most of donations, and how you allow your children to participate in most of the activities in the church. May the good Lord give you more grace to your levels.
Thank you, Reverend.
Welcome.
My children will be visiting the parish, attending all the programs in the parish. So we will be coming to church and doing everything. So me and my family and everybody will be worshiping here. So that's what I promise you that. Thank you.